How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment, custom light jobs for vans, cars, buses, trucks, bicycles, tricycles, everything in between, like this brand new 2020 Chevy Silverado LTZ. This 2500. It's got the big mirrors. It's got the nice LED third brake light cargo light. You can see we're using our Wicked Warnings auto flasher module to wig-wag that cargo light and the keyhole light on the tailgate. We've got a pattern bouncing back and forth between those two, done with our auto flasher kit. Below that is our LIN-6 LED, and that's in amber on an alternating 75 FPM flash pattern. Just a solid amber light, nice bright light for the steps. Fits really nice in the bumper there. Our TIR3 also fits well in that same location. Started this video out backwards, showing you the rear of the truck first. So let me spin it around and show you the front. Alrighty, around the front of the truck, we got all kinds of things happening. First thing you'll notice is the same light that we mounted out back, our LIN-6, in the grille, right below the Chevrolet logo. We used our 90-degree bracket to mount there. We just spread the angle of the bracket open a little bit. It works very well right there in that location. TIR3 would also work. In the front, we chose a side-by-side 75 FPM pattern instead of what we had in the rear, just to keep the amber illuminated on both sides in the front. We're also featuring our auto flasher module kit on the white forward-facing mirror lights, as well as those big old DRLs. And I tell you, this is one of the most impressive DRLs in person next to the new Super Duty. They're both very bright, very effective. Here's a little off-angle shot. You can see better what I'm talking about. Now, I do have the parking lights illuminated on the truck right now. I'll illuminate the headlights and show you what that looks like. As you can see, this particular truck responds quite nicely. Got an X pattern going with the mirrors and the front DRL. All right, now we're back to just the parking lights on. And of course, as you can see, you don't lose any factory function. Strobe lights on or off, you're not going to lose any function for the lighting when the strobe lights are off. It doesn't affect it when it's off. You only get these additional flashing function with the auto flasher kits, and you don't lose any factory function. Here's a little better shot of how we did that LIN-6 right there. You can see we used our 90-degree bracket, and as I said, we screw it up into the bottom of the grille. So if you were to remove this light, you just have two little screw holes. So basically no damage whatsoever. Bracket holds it quite nicely in the front of the truck, and you run your wiring right behind the grille in front of the grille shutters if equipped, and it comes out kind of behind the headlight. Nice, easy, effective install. I like this mounting point too because it keeps it kind of tucked in. Hopefully the car wash brushes and such won't be beating up the light or breaking it off because it's about flush with the grill. And this particular grill, so I think this is the LTZ grill style, I believe. And you can also put some lighting on top right under the hood. If you want to check out some of our other videos, you might see me mount some lights right underneath the edge of the hood here on the LTZ grill as well. No factory auxiliary switches in this one, so we just went ahead and put in one of our single switches right here on the dashboard. Nice full illumination blue. And there's kind of a hollow behind there right in that particular spot, so you can get your wiring easy enough going right through this way. So if you like that mounting location, feel free to copy. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Hopefully this video was of use to you. If you'd like to see any information on the products, check the description, check the little eye in the upper right-hand corner, or go ahead on and navigate over to wickedwarnings.com and check out our full website full of things. Hopefully we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.